How to add your own songs to Snapchat story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add your own songs or audio to a Snapchat story step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the camera icon to record a video or take a photo for your story. And after that, you can also choose an existing video from memories if you like. And with that being said, once you have taken the photo at the top, you just have to tap on the music icon. So there, just tap on the music icon, and after that Snapchat will show you trending songs by default. So here, to add custom songs, what you can do is simply swipe through the options at the top, and there you can just tap on my sound. And now here, to add a custom song, you have to play the song on your phone while recording the snap. And Snapchat will capture the audio from your device microphone. So here, you can record sound if you like, or you can even upload the song from your camera roll as well. And here, once you're done with that, you can just add the like, and here you can just save the sound by simply naming it. And here, once you're done with it, you can just add the sound in your story and share it as your story on Snapchat. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.